Need for heating, ventilation, air conditioning, electrical and plumbing services? MidSouth Commercial Services is a full-service heating, ventilation, and air conditioning company that specializes in the design, construction, installation, modification, and servicing of conditioning equipment. We proudly offer free estimates on all electrical wiring services to customers. We recognize our customers have very special needs, whether it's installation or the repair of industrial plumbing or a fire sprinkler system. We have 24-hour emergency service for those weekend and nighttime dilemmas. Quality, on-time professional service that you expect and deserve. We are fully insured for liability and workers' compensation, and we will be happy to produce an insurance certificate at your request. We are dedicated to providing you with the highest quality services possible without exceeding your budget. Lifetime warranty on all replacement parts. Call us now for more information. Visit us online